we will continue the conversation that we have.
Yeah.
You're already looking at the
trying to.
screen. Yeah. So what we do now is we play a little bit of game. Okay.
Yes.
So prior to the session, you shared a little bit of information with me, also about your hobbies. I think it will not surprise anyone when I say that one of your hobbies is reading and writing.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you also mentioned you like to gardening.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's a great hobby. Yeah.
Yes.
So I didn't prepare anything for gardening. I tell you why, because Martin Treder was part of the podcast.
Oh.
And he's also into gardening.
Okay.
So for him, I prepared a game which had to do with gardening. It was the Chief Data Officer Garden.
Oh,
yeah. So
nice.
yeah, you can look into that. And then you said you are into sailing also.
Yes.
I didn't prepare a game for sailing.
Oh, okay.
Why? Because Sebastian Kaus from Vattenfall, you probably know Vattenfall, the energy company. Yeah. He's the head of data governance at Vattenfall, Germany, and he likes to sail.
Oh.
So I did sailing with him, which is all good, because the best hobby that you have, no one had before, which is sourdough baking.
Yes.
Yes. I think people who are watching this will be surprised that you have baking as and sourdough basically as a hobby.
I bake a lot. I really do bake a lot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell us why.
There's really nothing like baking.
And I've heard the Danish are the best baker
in the world. Yes. The best in the world.
And
at least if you ask the Danes, right?
Yeah, and you are French Danish, so you bring the best combination to the table.
It's next level.
Exactly.
Next level. No, I think, I really like to bake. I really like to bake. I bake a lot. Yeah, I bake a lot.
So is it because, I mean, like some people say like, I'm the entire day, I'm sitting in front of a desk and I have to deal with like abstract topics and so on. And then when I do something like gardening or baking or cooking, it's like something tangible and the results that I can see is immediately there and I can even taste it. Is that a reason or?
Oh, I think I wanted to it goes way back. I mean, I've been baking for 20 years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So it's really something that I like doing. And so, I just love baking. It's just, this is not part of my professional life. So I'm not used to explaining why I love baking. It's just
you see, this is now the knife question.
Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes.
Yeah, baking, huh?
Yeah, baking. You say you bake. Okay.
No, I like it though, because I like it because I like to cook as well, like very much, and I do my dough for pizza and like other stuff, and my wife is also doing sourdough baking and so on, and I know it's very tough. It's not easy.
No. Yeah. I maybe disagree a little bit. I think it's quite easy.
Okay, you want to tell me that my wife is not good? That's why it takes.
It's getting worse and worse.
Just joking, no worries. She's not watching the show anyway.
I think depends. Do you want to geek about sourdough baking? Because I can definitely explain why I think it's easy.
Wait, you do it on the game, okay? Because what I have prepared now is a game.
Okay.
The Metadata Bake-Off, rise it or slice it, okay?
Okay.
So
nice.
So there's behind each of these little boxes,
I like
are
this.
questions, okay? And we have used sourdough as a metaphor to touch a little bit of metadata management activities. And you have to tell us, is that case something that you would rise or slice? So basically, would you go for it and bake it, or would you bin it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So there are 7 questions. We don't have to touch all of them, but you're free to select which one you want to go.
Top left corner.
Top left. Okay. So the one-legged Benetton, you have shaped the dough, proofed it overnight, and just before baking, you realized you used a cracked Benetton. The loaf comes out lopsided, collapsed on one side, but you still serve it. Would you do that? And for what would be that? Maybe a metaphor a little bit to metadata.
Yeah, but that's pretty much like many metadata repositories are served, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would serve it.
You would serve it?
Yeah,
You would go for it?
Yeah, I would size it.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I would.
Okay, good. Has that ever happened to you that you used a cracked Benetton for your...
Yeah.
No? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know out of experience you would still go for it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Sure.
good.
No, because
Yeah.
I've been baked for so.
Yeah.
In the beginning, if like I never post anything on Instagram about my baking.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
in the beginning, when you have baked breads, you take pictures of them all
Yeah,
the
yeah.
time. I
Yeah.
know exactly how good I am at baking. I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
Okay. This is confidence. I like that. Yeah. Okay, good.
I'm the best in the world.
I can see now. Okay. All right, Ole. Where you want to go next?
Okay, so the one in the middle.
Which
In the
this one here, the bottom?
Yeah, in the
Okay.
bottom. Yes. The loaf without a name.
The loaf without a name. You walked into the bakery. There's a fresh loaf on the counter. It smells good. It looks good. But there's no label, no note, and no one takes credit for baking it.
So if I would buy it,
Yeah, would you go for it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I think I would. No metadata, obviously. Poorly constructed setup.
Exactly. So you would go for it, although because you think it's highly regulated in Denmark, nothing can happen.
Oh, okay. So I would. No, that thought didn't even occur to me. No.
I mean,
Just-
it looks good, it smells good, but you don't know how. Is it expired?
No.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. Normally old bread doesn't smell.
Yeah.
But then if you put some water on it,
Yeah.
the sourdough
Yeah.
will reactivate and
Yeah.
it will have a slight
Yeah.
smell of alcohol.
Yeah.
Because it's the same fermentation
Yes,
that you use
fermentation
in
process.
beer making. So old bread wouldn't have a smell.
Okay. So it's fresh. It says also fresh. So
And if it's fresh, it's good.
Yeah,
It's
okay,
good.
okay.
I'll go
It's
for
good.
it.
Okay.
I'll go for it.
Okay, good,
Size
good.
it. That's it.
okay. Okay. So how often do you bake? Is it on a weekly basis or?
I bake 4 sourdough breads, 2 on Saturday and 2 on Sunday. And then I bake pizza on Mondays. Yeah.
You do pizzas as well. Nice.
Yeah, I'll do pizzas.
Okay, we have to do it together once.
Yes,
Yeah.
with pleasure. Sourdough
Yeah.
pizza.
Yeah. Because I used to work in a pizza bakery.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
And
Then I challenge you.
Now we can do a challenge. That's
Let's
fine.
do the pizza challenge.
Yeah, we can do that. Okay, good. Next question, Ole.
Yes, in the middle on the right side.
Okay, let's go for it. So, the sourdough that went wrong. Someone started a new starter without telling anyone. It wasn't documented, overproofed. It wasn't documented, overproofed overnight, exploded in the fridge, and now it's contaminating the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we slice it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would have concerns when you would have said something different.
No. We slice it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a poorly conceived sourdough.
Yeah. Could you see the analogy to metadata here?
Yes, obviously, like an overly technology-focused answer to metadata, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I could definitely see. We have a lot of that in metadata management. We get that a lot.
We get it a lot, right?
Exploding doughs.
Yeah. Let me ask you here a question. You're writing about these topics, but how often do you still see metadata catalogs of companies? Is that still something that you do, analyze metadata setups, structures of companies?
Like in real companies?
Yes.
I would do it mostly with my own consultancy.
Yeah.
I don't do it that much.
Yeah.
I do it now, obviously, with the customers of Action,
Yeah.
but I can't speak too much about the details.
No,
of
it's
that.
fine. It's fine. It's just for me about knowing how much are you still at the front.
Oh, yes. But I am very much at the front of that.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
I don't want to be salesy on this, but you know, if we have a flexible meta model, meaning that we have to engage in a dialogue with the customer to make it work, and then it really works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I can imagine, you know, it's like if you have Ole, the author of the enterprise data catalog, coming and analyzing, I can assume some people would have like a little bit of shaking knees. What the hell is this guy now saying to us? What do we show him? What are the good cases that we can present to him?
Well, I think I made the mistake once to say that to a customer of ours that they had really done a very poor job of implementing their data catalog, that I would do it very differently.
Okay.
And then because I'm not like I don't think too much of myself.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm a humble guy.
Yeah.
But I kind of realized that I perhaps made a guy lose his job.
Okay.
Anyway, they're not our customers anymore. Let me tell you that. But that is it. Then I learned to be more diplomatic. But in general, I see a lot of good stuff out there.
Okay, good.
I'm happy to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. Okay. Good.
Yeah. No, but I can be like unconsciously or like unaware of how brutal I can be at sometimes.
Okay.
But I try not to.
Okay. So you are brutal and like, let's say, confident when it comes to your
I can.
To your baking.
that tends to surprise people.
Yeah.
That I can be extremely cash.
Yeah.
But because I'm normally not, I'm very laid back, but I can be unpleasant. Yes.
So do you have this competitive nature in you when you like a little bit like, because some people have it when they play games, you know, like normally they're very calm.
Yeah.
But when they do like baking or when they play a game, football, basketball, or I don't know, board games, then they become a little bit competitive, edgy.
I'm very discreet about my edginess. I'm very discreet about it.
Yeah, I can.
But
sense
when you
that.
feel it, you know it's.
I can. Okay. Good. Okay, then you good for another question?
Yes, sure. I love this. The top right corner. I want to try all of them if we have time. I like it.
Let's try it. Okay, the 47 field sourdough. A loaf comes out with 47 different ingredients, each added by a different baker. It's dense, heavy, and no one knows what's actually supposed to taste like.
Size it. 100%.
Why?
Because it's not necessarily bad.
Okay.
It may be very bad, but not necessarily.
Okay. Has anyone ever complained about what you were baking?
Yes.
Okay.
Very much so. But she's not my girlfriend anymore.
Maybe because of that.
No, it's a private thing.
Okay.
That one we don't have.
Okay. Let's go. Oh shit, where's the question here? So, there it is.
There it is.
Okay. The heritage starter in the golden jar. This starter's been passed down for 12 years. It's kept in a golden label jar, tracked meticulously and used to bake the core loaves daily.
Okay, and that one, slice it.
Yeah?
Yeah. The story of sourdough is not important.
Okay.
It can be 1 week old or 200 years old.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
How old is yours?
It's just nostalgia. It has nothing to do.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like it's a good story to tell, but it's nothing but a story.
Yeah, I see a lot of people like claiming.
It's just the violin.
Okay. It's just some bragging.
Yeah.
Okay.
The choice does not get any better.
Okay.
It's just pure. It's just BS.
Okay, if you say so, yes. I will believe it. Okay, we have 2 more.
I want to try them if we have time. I mean, I think this is really fun.
Okay. Let's see. We can get it done. But I don't know why it's a little bit. Where's my text?
Oh, it's a lot of layers. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The daily feed spreadsheet. The bakery keeps all its sourdough feeding logs in a shared spreadsheet. It's old school, has some weird formatting quirks, but everyone updates it daily without fail.
Yes, that is a keeper.
Keeper, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
obviously a keeper.
Yeah, yeah.
Metadata management is only as good as the people that performs it, right?
Good.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good.
Never kill
Yeah.
the good, or never try to implement perfection at the expense of the good. Never.
Last one.
Yes.
Here's the question. There. The wild yeast whisperer. A baker figures out how to use natural fermentation from the environment. No commercial yeast. It's unpredictable but creates amazing complex loaves. If you trust the process. Do you trust the process?
Yes.
Okay.
100%.
Okay.
In metadata and in sourdough alike. That is
Good.
yes. No. For sourdough, I trust the process, but not for metadata.
I was just about to
I
say.
just had to. Sorry.
Oh, good. Okay, that were all questions.
Oh, I love that. Please send that one to me.
I will.
That's
I will.
a nice,
I will send it to you.
Nice memory.
Great.
Thank you.
Ah, my pleasure.
This was really fun. I really enjoyed that.